How to check if read receipts are on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Messages and tap on it. You are now in the Messages settings page. Scroll down and go to the Send Read Receipts option below. From here, you can check whether the Send Read Receipts option on your phone is turned on or off. If you turn it on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all conversations. You can choose to turn it back off from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily check if read receipts are on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.